So last night, the Justice Department released a photo of top secret documents found at Mar-A-Lago. Has President Biden seen the photo, been briefed on the photo, and does let us believe that there is national security at risk by having these documents there?
So, as I've said many times, and I get how you're asking the question, I hear you, Chris. We're just not going to comment on the investigation, any underlying pieces of the investigation, any content of the investigation. This is an ongoing, as you all know, investigation that the Department of Justice, an independent investigation that the Department of Justice is doing. We are not going to politically interfere. We are not going to comment on anything connected to the investigation, and we're just going to keep it there.
Sure, but not in the investigation, not the legal process, the FBI, but as the president's role as commander-in-chief, overseeing national security. You have top secret documents, some potentially involving human sources there. Is that something that the president's keeping tabs on, or that's part of his intelligence briefings?
So as far as top secret materials or classified materials, look, the president has said he said this very recently, in the importance of properly handling classified materials. But in regards to the specific case, again, we're just not going to comment from here. We want to make sure what we're doing is like out of abundance of caution, right? To not comment on an ongoing investigation, not to politically interfere. This is an independent investigation that the Department of Justice is doing, and this is something that the president has talked about during his campaign, making sure that they have that independence. The Department of Justice has that independence as it relates to investigations, and we are just not going to comment any further.
And on tomorrow's speech, does the president plan to talk specifically about Donald Trump in the speech tomorrow? And does he feel like, when he talked about the battle over democracy in this country, does it feel like things are moving in the right direction, the wrong direction? What can you tell us about what the president's going to talk about?
So I don't want to get ahead of the president's speech. It's not a good thing to do, as you know. But the president thinks that there is an extremist threat to our democracy. The president has been clear as he can be on that particular piece when we talk about a democracy, when we talk about our freedoms. The way that he sees is the MAGA Republicans are the most energized part of the Republican Party. This is an extreme threat to our democracy, to our freedom, to our rights. They just don't respect the rule of law. You've heard that from the president, and they are pursuing an agenda that takes away people's rights. So, which is what the president said last week on Thursday. You all heard him. This is what the president said yesterday, and that's what he's going to continue to say. And here's the thing: the president's not going to shy away to call out what he clearly sees is happening in this country. And again, MAGA Republicans are this extreme part of their party, and that is just facts, and that's what he's going to continue to lay out.